Alternative remote controls for your Sharp TV.
Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing some alternative remote controls for your Sharp TV. If you've lost or broken your original remote, don't worry. There are plenty of options available to help you regain control of your television.
Why consider alternative remote controls?
More affordable than original replacements, easier to find and purchase, offers additional features.
What are the options for alternative remote controls?
1. Universal Remote Controls 2. Compatible with most TV brands 3. Can be programmed to control multiple devices 4. Wide range of options, from budget-friendly to high-end models 5. Smartphone apps 6. Turn your smartphone into a remote control 7. Available for both Android and iOS devices 8. Easy to use and customize.
How to choose the right alternative remote control?
Determine your budget. Consider additional features and compatibility. Check customer reviews for reliability and performance.
Can I use a universal remote control with my Sharp TV?
Yes, most universal remotes are compatible with Sharp TVs. Make sure to check the compatibility list before purchasing. Follow the instructions provided to program the remote for your specific TV model.
How do I set up a smartphone app to control my Sharp TV?
Download a compatible remote control app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Connect your smartphone and Sharp TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Follow the in-app instructions to pair your phone with your TV. Alternative remote controls offer a great solution for replacing or upgrading your original Sharp TV remote. With options such as universal remotes and smartphone apps, you can easily find a remote that fits your needs and budget. Happy channel surfing!